Next Level Mindset with another powerful and positive video. Did DoorDash buy her subscribers and views? I've got 3 reasons you never want to do that on YouTube. Make sure you stay with me on this all the way through. At the end of the video, I've got some bonus PowerPoints and facts about your subscribers that I know you do not want to miss. So I decided to have some fun with this video and at the same time to share with my community reasons you don't want to buy subscribers and views. YouTube is allowing that. We'll talk more about that coming up in a minute. The first reason you never want to buy subscribers and views on YouTube is that it will cause you and keep you from getting monetized. A lot of us are working on monetizing our channels, turning it into an income. And if you're not careful, and if you violate those rules and guidelines on YouTube, the system will know. One thing that I like about my channel is I decided that we're talking about next level. I want to build a system of integrity, honesty. We want to follow the rules and break the rules at certain times, right? I do talk about breaking certain rules, but there's certain things we just don't want to do. We want to make sure that we have that integrity. We want to have self-respect. We want to have self-awareness. Just being aware of what's going on. The system knows, YouTube system will know. And there's certain things that you can do, buying subscribers, buying those views. It'll make your channel look good for a minute, but it may just keep you from getting monetized, taking your channel income to the next level. And if you're part of the family, you already know that's how we like to do it to get it done. Next level mindset. We want to go to the next level in everything that we do. And by the way, if this is your first time or you've been here before and you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. We're on our road to 5K. If you want to stay empowered and inspired together, we would love to have you here as a part of Next Level. And the second reason is that it can be expensive. It really can be a waste of your finances and a waste of your money. Think about that. There's so many other ways you can invest your funds. You can invest in a new camera. You can invest in a new microphone. And in fact, that's what I would spend my funds on, a brand new microphone. Did you know that audio is more important than video when it comes to YouTube? Yeah, a lot of people, they can listen to something, and if it sounds pleasing, even if it's not looking the best on screen, they'll choose to enjoy it. That's where you have podcasts and different people that'll listen to your videos more than they are watching it. So invest that money into a microphone. Invest it here at Next Level. We would definitely appreciate it. There's so many other things you can do with those funds, but it can be expensive. Those funds you can put into education. You can buy a course, or you can put that money into something that you enjoy for yourself. You could reinvest it in you. So remind yourself, the next time you are tempted to invest and buy some subscribers and views, don't do it. Did DoorDash do it? I really don't know, but I want to encourage you, don't do it, because it can be expensive, a waste of money, and there's more things that you could do with your finances. One of my affirmations says, I am an excellent money manager. I always have more money coming in than going out. I always have more than enough. And so you could take that money, invest it in yourself, invest it in your family. You don't want to invest it in promoting your channel and wasting time on YouTube. Wasting your money, you don't want to do it like that. You could end up losing everything, and I'll talk more about that coming up in a minute. You could end up losing your channel, but definitely don't want to waste the money and invest it in the wrong way. You can take those finances and invest in yourself. And the third reason, the next reason you never want to buy subscribers and views, your channel can actually be deleted. Your channel can be terminated, and you can end up losing it all. As a matter of fact, YouTube, being that it is a business, most of the time, all it really wants to do is get people on the platform for as long as possible. And so if you're out there buying subscribers and buying views, eventually you're going to be found out. As a matter of fact, I had one of my channels deleted. Check this out. I had a channel called Stevon NextLevel Shorts. And as you see right there, it says channel removed. Now, don't get me wrong, I didn't do anything wrong, not that I was aware of. I wouldn't trip. I wouldn't trip. But I woke up one morning and I saw this right here. Stevon NextLevel Shorts was removed from YouTube. Your channel wasn't following our policy. Spam, deceptive practices, and a scam. I don't think it was all that. Honestly, all I was really doing is pinning the same comment on each one of my videos. I forgot to make it human, right? So they saw that as spam. That's what it was. I was pinning my comments in the same way, on the same word for word. And so now when I pin a comment, I like to switch up the words sometimes, put different emojis in there, make it more relatable, and give it that human touch. And that's what you want to do. But yeah, your channel can be deleted. And it says right here, the YouTube community is one that's built on trust. Content that intends to scam, mislead, or spam with deceptive practices. Remember, we talked about integrity earlier. We talked about trust earlier. Remember that? So imagine the feeling you would have if you woke up one morning to go log into YouTube and you found that your channel was deleted. That is the worst feeling that you could ever have on YouTube. So don't do it. Do not buy those subscribers and views. It's not worth it. You can end up losing it all, and everything you work for will just be for nothing. You don't want to do that. And your channel can be a resource. You'll never really know who you're really being a blessing to. As a matter of fact, I had a time when I was first starting to get going on my channel. I was embarrassed because I only had at that time 58 subscribers, right? And I was trying to hide the subscriber count. Let me know in the comments if you remember that. They used to let you hide your subscriber count. Now I realize that, you know what? That's part of the journey. I want you to know that I was once at 58 subscribers. I want you to know that I used to get just 15 or 20 views on my videos. But you don't want to get your channel deleted. All that work you put in, you really don't want that to happen to you, because if it happens to you, then everything you work for has really been taken away. You're better than that. You're destined for greatness. No matter who you are watching this video right now, you're destined to do great things in your life. Now, I've got a bonus insight and something about your subscribers that most people don't know. But first, I just want to share this with you. I've got to tell you about Amazon. If you need it, Amazon probably has it. They are the host of my songs. They host my merchandise. They also host my books, Mystic Secrets of the Bible, Divorced and Still Destined for Greatness. They are the host of my channel. So check them out with the links in the description. And if you decide to buy my books on that site, leave us a review. We'd love to know that we've been a blessing to you as well. If you are enjoying the content on my channel, consider becoming a member. We have a membership that you can join for exclusive content, behind the scenes, never seen by anyone else. You can cancel it anytime, enter on any level that you want to enter in on. And if you're a content creator, you could also create your own Buy Me a Coffee membership site as well. So make sure you do that. Buy a coffee, take one of my books home with you. Any way you want to do it, there's links in the description for you to do just that. So now, if you're ready to buy some subscribers and views, let me hear you say, I am. I'm not ready to do that. I am not ready to buy no subscribers and views. So this first bonus point that I want to share deals with YouTube allowing you to get away with it, giving you that promotions tab. They're actually allowing you to buy subscribers and views. I really don't understand why they are doing that if they're just going to penalize you for it later. But they're actually doing it under a little guideline, right? They're really being slick with it. They're not really saying that you're buying subscribers and views, but what you're buying is promoting your channel to get subscribers and views. So it's a little bit tricky on that. But yeah, you might get away with it today, but eventually YouTube will find out. And the truth of the matter is, a lot of people, they get to the point where they may experience burnout. They may even experience, like hard times, downtime. They may experience getting demonetized. They may even experience not being able to get their channel to grow. But I want to encourage you, everyone starts at one. And another thing to keep in mind when it comes to subscribers and views, a lot of times we compare our channels to other people who may have 1,000 subscribers. They may have 1 million views on their videos, and you may be even doing better than you think. As a matter of fact, I put together this video right here, how to know your channel is crushing it. I think there will be a great video for you to watch next. So check that out right now. Enjoy that. Thanks again to my subscribers and returning viewers. I appreciate you. Hit the like button, share this on your way out. Subscribe if you haven't done that. Stay blessed, stay positive, never give up, always stay true. Until next time, I'll see you on the next level. Peace.